Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Myra Amjad. Welcome to Century Press and Publishers. Dear students, I hope you are enjoying your revision. Today we will revise letter M, letter N, O, P, Q and R. Okay? So are you ready? Very good. So from M, what is the sound of letter M? It's M. It's M. Okay? Mango. और भी कौन से वर्ड्स बनते हैं M से बताएं? Who will tell me? M for monkey. M for mango. And many more. Okay. Now next is N. What is the sound of N? It's N. N. आपको याद है ना? मैंने आपको साउंड सिखाया था कि आपने अपनी टंग को आपको याद है ना, मैंने आपको साउंड सिखाया था कि आपने अपनी टंग को अपने ऊपर वाले टीथ के साथ मिला के अपने नोज से आवाज निकालनी है न न. ओके, सो N for nest and many more. Okay, next is O. O. What is the sound of O? It's O. O. Okay, like O orange, O oil. Okay students, what is the sound of letter O? It's O. Okay, next is P. P and its sound is P. 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 Peach. P. 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 Okay students, these are the sounds and the words from different letters. इसी तरह लेटर P से बहुत सारे वर्ड्स बनते हैं. ओके, इट्स Q. व्हाट इज द साउंड ऑफ Q? इट्स Q. Quail. ओके बच्चों, सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर द साउंड ऑफ लेटर Q. It's quail. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज लेटर R. ओके, इट्स साउंड इज R. ओके, and what are the words? These are rose, rat, rabbit and many more. Okay students, so you have to remember the letter, its sound and different words that will start from this letter. Okay students, take good care of yourself, keep learning. Allah Hafiz.